For the Buddy Math activity, Make It Equal, you're going to need one baggie of numeral cards, including one equal sign and two plus signs for you and your partner to share, a recording sheet, and a marker. So step 1, you're going to arrange and place your numeral cards from 0 to 10 in that order on the floor, including the extra 5. Step 2, place the equal card between you and your partner. Step 3, look at the 4 numbers that are written next to the number 1 on your recording sheet. For the first one, they should be numbers 9, 5, 5, and 1. And you're going to take those numeral cards that match those numbers that are written. Step 4, you're going to make 2 equivalent expressions, which means you're going to fill the numbers in an order that would make it make sense. Blank plus blank equals blank plus blank. So the first one, remember, you're only using 9, 5, 5, and 1. Fill those in on these blanks, but remember, you need to make sure that it makes sense. So whatever you have over here should equal what's on this side of the expression. Then, after you place them down on the floor in the correct order that makes it an equivalent expression, then you're going to take your recording sheet and you're going to write it down with your marker. Step 5, you're going to repeat steps 1 to 4 with the new numbers on the recording sheet. You're going to repeat that until all the recording sheet is filled up. And don't forget to take a picture on Seesaw.